Hey guys, what are you doing today?
Hey, yeah, we'll probably, just do the usual.
Grass fire! Grow 10 feet!
Blanket cocoon!
War!
The usual!
Limbering up!
Story time.
The choice of pain relief depends on a combination of factors, including the woman's special needs,
Upside.
Down. Cat it up! Parasailing.
Admire true beauty.
Recognize that durrier, fake tan, fat can's face like a terrier.
Make first impressions.
Oh, hey, Ricky.
Hey guys, what's up?
Meet my sister, Carly.
You can do it, honey, you can do it! Push!
Reborn!
The Price is Right.
Welcome back to The Price is Right. Here we have Jack Schneider spinning for the Showcase Showdown. Go ahead.
I was trying my mom back home. She's gonna love this.
50 cents.
What would you like to do? I'll spin again.
Sorry. Great to have you. Thanks. So, does any of that sound like fun?
I think I'll just watch a movie. Thanks.